Hello everyone, today we will mainly share with you about our products customization. We will introduce the customization of 3 products on the desk for you, like this one. And today we will focus on the real-in Photocells, like this model. And it can be customized according to different requirements. The customizable contents are as follows. The first one is looks of the photocell, the second is delay time, three is the length of product line, and the color of shell. And like this one, the shell color is black, and we also could to make it green or another colors. While due to production requirements, there may be the MOQ issue with customer remove the special colors. If you want to customize products suitable for local market sales, please don't hesitate to contact us. I'm Stella from Shanghai LongJoin. In our next video, we will share the customization of tri-slope photocell with you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.